this video is supposed to be in English. So welcome again to another video. This video is going to make, it's like an experiment with my friend Steve. This is Steve's stuff. All of this is my stuff, the drone, everything. I told Steve, man, I want to teach you how to make a couple transitions like this or like that. So, Steve, are you ready for make a video?
I'm ready.
Yeah, this video is going to be in English. I'm going to show you as much as I can to how to make cool stuff and everything, and yeah.
I'm excited about it. I'm ready to go.
Here we go.
So we do different angles.
Yeah.
Like, inside the house, coming out, going this way, the gate opening, the latch, coming out, and then when you edit it, you pick the best one that looks good with the match.
Yeah, it's like a workflow.
Yeah.
So look, what I did now, it's we are leaving the house, we are going somewhere. So I want to show the people we are leaving the house. So opening the door, closing the door, open the fence. So I did 5 angles for the same fence because I want to show just the fence. The point of this video is teaching you and teaching these people how to make a vlog.
Okay.
So when I'm making the workflow for the vlog, I have to plan what I'm going to say.
Right.
Every people call this the history teller. So because we have to tell these people a history. So there's a little things that you have to have in your mind when you are making the video. For example, they teach the time, the date. There's important things, and you are going to get more time in the video. We just park right there, and there's a park next to us. Yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's almost 5 o'clock, and we were waiting for the sunset, and it's too fast. I don't know how to say, going night too fast.
Yeah, the sun's went down too fast at this time of year because it's becoming the winter time, and so the sun goes down quicker. And we have fog rolling in now on the beach.
Yeah.
So that's going to be a problem for us right there.
You know, you have to check the time, the weather, you have to tell everything. Next step, if you need to have something interesting to say. Because I used to make stupid videos like showing me doing things that nobody cares.
Okay.
Like me cutting my hair, nobody cares. that makes it. But
unless you're a hairstylist, then
yeah,
they like it. But
yeah. So this morning I went to the Bean store. It's like an Amazon store, and I showed that it's interesting for another people because you can get deals. A good topic.
Yeah.
A good thing to say. It's important to make that kind of videos.
Better, and how to make my video better, and so far it's been working out great. He took me out probably about a month ago and showed me how to fly the drone, and so right now we're getting ready to fly the drone again and do some more work.
Yeah. Another tip, it's as much cameras as you can have in the same workflow, it's better for you.
The same what?
As much cameras.
Oh, cameras.
Yeah.
Different angles.
Yeah, because it's going to be easy to set 3 cameras pointing the same person, walking, for example. So you're going to save time. If you're, for example, working. If somebody said, hey, can you help me with this? So you can set one GoPro, the other tripod, and another camera. Like this moment. We have this camera, we have another camera, another camera, another camera, and this camera where I'm recording.
Yeah.
So we have like 6 cameras right now. The idea is to make like a cinematic shoot just walking down the street. So right now the sunset is going on pretty cool. We are going to use the sunset for background. We are going to use the lamps, and we are going to use the sea and the foggy and the pleasure pier. So we have a cool backstage for our video. There's a lot of elements that you can use to make a video better, In this case, we are going to use the drone to make a couple more shoots of the same thing. Showing Steve, and he asked me about the green. So look, the green, these places, when it cross, is when it's the more important place to look on the screen. So when you're showing somebody a video, you have to use these places, and then you are going to get their attention. It works for photos or for videos. And for example, if I want to show that car, I'm going to put the, when I was in the school and they teach me the first place, where is the first place that you look in the newspaper?
Comics.
But if you have, for example, newspaper,
The headlines.
yeah,
The headlines.
they said the first place that you look, the square of the paper, you're going to look the right and up. We make a couple shoots, cinematic shoots like this. The history telling, it's like showing the environment. Over there was a guy using a different kind of skateboard, so I said, this is going to fill the blank space of the video. Now we have our I cut everything because I was playing Steve first about the walking. So what I show him, it's you have to take care of the steps right there, and then change the angle, change again, look the feet, then change. Yeah. There's another thing, the anticipation. For example, when you are, for example, the video that I showed you yesterday,
Yes.
when I was like this and it changed.
Right.
Actually, and when you said, how do you go so fast? It was like 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
So I record first right here, and then I said, I'm going to edit this part to make it. It's the same that I'm moving the camera here, pointing us, and then talking like this, and then move.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Have you ever tried that before?
No, not the way you were describing it to me. I've never did it like that.
And there's another way to make transition that I forgot to tell you. It's like moving. Hand is in front, you stop right there, then you could right there in the other position. You set the camera and you could again, and it's going to look like choo choo.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And then you move the camera again, move again, and then that's the transition.